Hey gals and guys, welcome back to The Big Sweep, the channel where we share awesome tips and tricks to make your life easier. I'm Kelly, and today we've got a common problem that many of us have faced: how to remove rust stains from clothes. But worry not, because we've got some easy home remedies that'll have your clothes looking brand new in no time. Before we jump into it, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our helpful videos. Now let's get started. Before we get into the remedies, it's crucial to identify rust stains properly. They often appear as reddish-brown discolorations caused by the oxidation of iron particles on your clothes. The quicker you address the issue, the better the chance of successful removal. You'll want to hang in with us until the end of the video for a bonus hack. Our first remedy involves two common kitchen ingredients: lemon and salt. Squeeze fresh lemon juice onto the rust stain, ensuring it's fully covered. Sprinkle salt on top and let it sit in the sun for a few hours. The acidity of the lemon and the abrasive nature of salt work together to break down and lift the rust particles. Rinse the stain and launder as usual. If the stain persists, try the next method. Our second rust stain remedy is a vinegar soak. Soak the stained clothing item in undiluted white vinegar for about 30 minutes. The acid in the vinegar will help dissolve the rust. After soaking, wash the garment as usual. If the rust stain is still there, another effective remedy is using a baking soda paste. Mix baking soda with water to create a thick paste. Apply the paste to the rust stain, gently rubbing it in. You can use your fingers, a toothbrush, or a spatula for this. Baking soda is a gentle abrasive that aids in rust removal. Let it sit for at least 15 minutes before washing the garment. Don't give up if you try one of these techniques and it doesn't work out the first time. Getting the best results when removing old stains from clothes may require multiple attempts using different techniques, depending on the severity of the stain or the length of time the rust mark has been there. You can also try a bit of toilet bowl cleaner to remove the rust stains on white clothes. But remember to wear your gloves when using this method. Apply a drop of toilet bowl cleaner over the stain or stains. Allow it to sit for a minute. Wet a toothbrush and dip it in detergent powder. Scrub the stain and rinse. Launder as usual. Follow the instructions on the product carefully, ensuring you test a small, inconspicuous area first. Make sure you wear gloves. Avoid using bleach since it may generate its own bleach stains and permanently set in the rust. And now it's time for our bonus hack. Hydrogen peroxide is a good thing to try if you're trying to remove rust from white fabric. Be careful, this method could fade colors that are not white. For this method, mix together 1 teaspoon baking soda and 1 teaspoon cream of tartar in a small bowl. Then mix in 1/4 teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide, then stir to make a paste. If the consistency isn't paste-like, add more dry ingredients, equal parts cream of tartar and baking soda, or hydrogen peroxide until it is the correct thickness. Use your fingers or a spatula to spread the paste over the rust stain. Let it sit for 30 minutes, then rinse off the paste and launder as usual. Click here for more all-natural laundry stain removal tips. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.